Hello Lakeside, I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to navigate some of the stuff that we have going on in OneNote. One of the first things I want to explain is how I've kind of set up our class notebook. Every week I'm going to put the day's agenda and you will see it based on the date. I'll have a little welcome page, sometimes with a meme, sometimes with a video, depends on how I'm feeling. But then on Monday, for example, we might be exploring, something brand new. We might need to log into the textbook. This is going to be your instructions, especially for stuff that we do on our online textbook. This is going to show you how to do it, but it will also explain if you have any worksheets you need to do. It'll explain that you need to work on those. It'll tell you where they are. So for example, it says complete the 2 worksheets for today. Click on your name and then assignments. This will be titled assignment 1. What this is trying to explain is you can view assignment 1 underneath the day's date, but you cannot work in this document. If you want your own assignment, which you should if you'd like credit, you're going to click your name. Okay, this is a student just for right now. You're going to click assignments and you're going to go to assignment 1 for this particular assignment. Here, you're going to download this. You download and it should show up. I'm trying to move this. It should show up right here. All right, in your downloads menu. You go open this. I'm going to scroll up again. You're going to click enable editing. Now you have your own copy. Let's say that you have now answered all the questions, questions, passing, woohoo. All right. Now, this is how you're going to upload it. You're going to click File, Save As. I would save everything to your OneDrive just to be super careful. And how I would like you to save these is first initial, last name, and date. So this one was for April 13th. If it's for a project, I might have you put the project title instead of the date. But I will clarify in the instructions for that assignment. Click Save. Cool, so now up here you can see that it's saved first initial, last name, date. Now you're gonna go back to your OneNote, and in order to upload it, you're gonna go Insert, File Attachment, and you're gonna go ahead and look for this. So what, we called it JSmith? Yep. You'll click Open and Insert. It'll be right here, and I will be able to look at it and grade it from here. So that is how you're going to do that. Make sure that it loads and looks like this before you exit. There we go. Now it's all done. Some other things that you probably need to know. Any sort of essays or projects, the instructions will be here. And you will have your own copies in your student section under your name once I put them there. This is class notes. This is where you might put notes for Silent Spring if you're in 7th grade, or notes for the Odyssey if you are in 9th grade, or what have you. And you are going to just, I'm typing notes that will help me remember things and do well. And this, you can lay it out however you'd like. You can use bullet points up here, numbers, you could change the font color, make things bold, whatever you're feeling like, whatever will help you. And then up here, this is probably one of the most important things ever. This is resources. I have tabs for citing sources. I have a copy of the syllabus, some free online books and free plays for while we are in this quarantine, and of course, Gotta have these literature memes. All right, just to clarify, your welcome page is general information. All right, this is me saying hi. This is me saying how you contact me. This is a video on how to use your online textbook. Please watch this. Very important. This is explaining our entry tasks. Content library. This is stuff I post that is generally instructions or helpful hints. This is not where you type your assignments. This is where I show you your assignments. All right, content library is where I am putting content. Under your name, these are your assignments. This is where you upload your work. All right? You upload all your stuff here. This is how you get your grade, is you go to your name assignments, your name tests and quizzes, essays, projects, class notes. This is where you turn in your work. All right? I think I've covered almost everything. If you all need help, you know where to email me, because you go to the contact me and my email's there, and I'm setting up the Microsoft Teams link soon. All right. Excellent. Look forward to this wild and crazy adventure with you guys.